Hey guys, wanna know how to delete your background in Filmora? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. First up, there are various ways to delete your background. So one is through Chroma Key. So I have this green screen video right here. Just click on it once and then hit towards AI tools right here. Then once you're under AI tools, just simply check this Chroma Key and enable it, and then also select the appropriate color, and there you have it. Your background has been easily deleted, and there is also other ways such as deleting some other background or external background. So I have this background right here, and in order to delete the background from the timepad, just simply select on this background and right click on it and then delete it right here, or you can just press delete on your keyboard. Super simple and easy, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.